being Justice Minister gave me a fantastic opportunity to progress a whole range of reforms and changes that I'd been advocating for many years. And I'm happy that in the context of some of the controversies that occurred, we now have independent reports that have established that what I said at the time was true, that I behaved appropriately and dealt with things properly as a minister. Unfortunately, I discovered in politics on occasions when you tell the truth, you get into trouble. But you know, telling the truth helps me sleep at night, and it means that people who truly know me know I can be trusted. I'm happy with that.
Do you think other people are not sleeping as comfortably at night?
I don't know. I'm focused now on the future and what positive contribution I can make to public life, to the benefit of constituents in the country. And there's a whole range of social and legal reform that I'd still like to see happen. In a sense, I got cut off halfway through the agenda I hope to implement. Some of it that I'd prepared continued in my absence, which I was pleased occurred. But there's a lot that remains to be done. I hope I have the opportunity to contribute to that after the general election.